Good morning, everyone. Happy
I'm still
Wednesday.
finding a photograph of yours, Danielle. I haven't fixed it yet.
Oh, great. Can't wait. Jeff,
All right.
Jeff took some photos of me this morning with my hair in the rollers. Okay, we have clear skies out there this morning, and we'll have a little bit more cloud cover today. That's going to help get our temperatures down a bit this morning. Very mild conditions, 70s already downtown, mid-60s along the coast, valleys near 70, mountains mid-40s. Winds are still trending offshore. We have a weak ridge, a very flat ridge that'll set up to keep those winds offshore today. They'll pick up as the sun goes down, but they shouldn't be too much of an issue. Your dew points, 40s, 50s, and 60s, so way up from yesterday. Yesterday, they were in the teens, even the single digits at times. You could see we have some moisture in the air to our north, and that's helping those numbers. We also still have a beach hazard statement through tonight. We could see those waves getting up to 6 feet. Dangerous rip currents also a concern. High pressure moves off to the east as we head into tomorrow. And this trough to our north is going to help cool down those temperatures, bring back the marine layer. We'll be below average for tomorrow into Friday. Enjoy it. It's going to be short-lived. We have a big warm up in that extended forecast for today. Lots of 70s, 80s, and 90s. So we are taking off about 3 to 5 degrees from yesterday, still slightly above normal. We're dropping down to below average for tomorrow and Friday, talking mid to upper 70s downtown. But then we'll warm things right up as we head into the weekend. Winds trend offshore, talking about a major heat wave for the start of next week. Triple-digit temperatures. I think it is very likely we'll see some records as well.